Hi friends. Hope you have a bright day. We can change our subject into gold. We will apply this effect in Photoshop. There are two ways to apply this effect. It looks like that. So, let's get started. In first method, press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Go to select and click on subject. It will create selection around subject. Create mask on this selected layer. Create solid color layer beneath this layer. I am going to pick dark cyan color. Right-click on mask. Click on apply layer mask. Background of subject is transparent. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. And change its blend mode from normal to difference. Then press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select both layers. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Press Ctrl+J again to make duplicate layer. Change its blend mode from normal to difference. Then press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select both layers. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Right-click on layer to open blending options. Apply drop shadow. Blend mode is normal with black color. Opacity is 100%. Angle is 30 degree. Distance is 155 pixels and spread is 0%. Adjust size according to your image. I will make it 250 pixels. Finally click OK. Create color lookup layer. Click on this icon. To clip this layer. So this adjustment affects only layer below. Open 3D LUT file menu. Choose edgy amber point 3DL. It will apply gold effect on subject. Create gradient layer. Double click on preview to open gradient editor. Click on left slider and choose white color. Color is none on right slider. Mean it should transparent, then click OK. Choose radial in style. Angle is 90 degrees and make scale 200%. Move this light gradient on right side of subject. Finally click OK. Reduce opacity to 50% for this gradient layer. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Double click on layer to open gradient fill. Move this white light on left side of subject. Click on OK. Reduce opacity to 25% for this layer. Select both gradient layers. Move down these layers. Above solid color dark cyan color layer. Active below gradient layer. Go to layer, New, layer. Change its mode from normal to overlay. Checkbox for fill with overlay neutral color. It is 50% gray, then hit OK. It will create gray color layer. Go to Filter, Noise. Add noise. Make amount 15%. Check uniform and monochromatic boxes. Then click OK. Zoom in and see noise is sharp. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make radius 1.5 pixels and hit OK. So here is your subject converted into gold. Second method for gold effect. Press Ctrl plus J 2 times to make 2 duplicate layers. Active top layer, then go to Select. Subject. Create mask on this layer after selection. Create hue and saturation layer. Clip this layer and reduce saturation to -100. Then create curves adjustment layer. Clip this layer. Start making zigzag curves. It looks like that, and give chrome effect. Image has chrome effect now. Select all 3 layers and create a group. Move below layer of subject at top of group. It moved inside group, so let me take out from group. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Expand group and select mask. Press Alt and move this mask at top layer. Active background layer and make a solid color layer. I am going to pick blue color. Or you can choose your own choice for color. Then hit OK. Active top layer and create curves adjustment layer. Apply little bit darkness on image. But don't forget to clip this layer. Create color lookup layer. Choose Edgy Amber Point 3DL from 3D LUT file menu. Clip this layer as well. Expand group and active subject layer. Right-click on layer and open blending options. Apply same drop shadow we applied in first method. I mean blend mode is normal with black color. Angle 30 degree, distance is 155 and size is 250. Finally click OK. Active solid color layer and create gradient layer. Gradient is white and none, then click OK. Style is radial, angle is 90 degree. Scale is 200%, then hit OK. Move gradient to right side of subject. Hit OK. Reduce opacity to 50%. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Double-click on layer to open gradient fill. Move this gradient to left side of subject. Press OK. Active below gradient layer. Go to Layer, New, Layer. Shift plus Ctrl plus N is shortcut key. Change blend mode to overlay. Check box for 50% gray and hit OK. There is gray color layer. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Make amount 15%. Uniform and monochromatic is checked. Then click OK. Again go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make radius 1.5 pixels and hit OK. So here is image with gold effect. This is second method to create it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.